So we're on site. This is the previous setup here. So the job today really is to get this over here. They get in a bath, and this was a shower. The way they've done this is a bit funny, but anyway, I'll do my best to do whatever with that. My job isn't to replace this, it's just to move that there. Alright, so the middle of the bath is on this joist, so that's where this is going to have to go. So we'll make the assumption that the bath is not going to be more than 20 centimeters. If the bath is 20 centimeters higher, we would need it there, where that is. Centimeters, so 20 centimeters from around here. That, which is 14 centimeters. So we'll say 34. So that goes all the way nearly to the top. Don't worry about this. The plasterer will sort it. This will be an easy job for the plasterer. Alright, so we're gonna go in just like that. Just there. Just barely sticking out, barely. Enough for the towels to go over. And obviously they're gonna put in a thicker plasterboard and plaster over as well. So I reckon that's enough. Really put that through. Get that to there. Alright, so you see that? It's kind of in the wall there, you get me? So there's going to be the tile adhesive, and then there's going to be the tile still. So nice long screws, because the bit is quite long that hangs out of here, so it needs that support. Just cut it around here and join it to the current setup. I'm not touching the current setup, it's not working hard to do. Here we go, we've got the insert in there. This is going to go on there. Alright, so we'll mark it where this line is, and that's where we'll cut it. So just there. So we can see the mark there. All we do is we pierce it just slightly and just twist. So we just twist it and cut and twist. And then we get the poly pipe insert. Push that all the way in. And then now we're going to join these two. So all it is going to be like that. And then push it in basically. And all I've done here is just clip it in, and then that's it. Then once the tiling is all done, this will just go on like that. It takes 15 minutes to cure. So what I'll do is I'll put some of this 70, that's where the bath ends. So the bath ends pretty much on that, which is fantastic. And so you've got the shower screen, then you got that, which you don't want it really knocking. So I just moved it slightly that way. This might cause a problem in the future. Look at that, and that's going to expand into that. So we've got to move that out of the way. Oh, this was done before, but it's very strange. So what I'll do is secure this. I mean, it's very strange, isn't it? But it's still live, so it's been really careful. I've cut it there, and I'm just going to cut it a bit more. You've got to grab your plumbing hammer. Oh goodness. Right, what am I going to do here? So the carpenter obviously has done some sort of nonsense here. So I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. So like that. Right, so I've left the tap off, which is, it fills from here. That's just so the tilers can do everything. Obviously they'll be doing plastering, don't want that all over the taps. And obviously they'll be standing in the bath as well, so you don't want that getting stepped on. So I've left it as it is, and there we go. I haven't put this in because I don't want them putting plaster down there either, so that's not done up yet, but it's ready to be done, so I'll just leave it slightly loose so I remember. What a mess this is though. Anyway, obviously had to cover up that hole just a bit. Used what I could. No one's going to see that.